The project that was supposed to take care of this cost us 260 million, more or less. 260 million. The 260 million that the government spent for this project had no effect whatsoever as to protect the slope. Parang walang ginawa. Sana hindi pareho lang. Kung hindi, wala silang tinayo, wala silang linagay na wall, wala silang linagay na riprap, wala silang linagay na slope protection, ganun din ang nangyari. Kaya ang balor ng kanilang trabaho is zero, complete zero. And here's the other thing, that's why I keep talking about economic sabotage. Ang feedback natin from the mayor and from the other, the mayor of Tuba is also here. Oh.
Mayor Clarita.
Come join
Mayor
us.
Clarita.
Halika, Mayor. Dito ka. Oh, we are talking to the mayor in terms of the effect on businesses. Because of this, because nagsara ito, hindi na magamit ito, in terms of business, 30%, 35%, I think is the number, 35% kaagad ng kanilang hanapbuhay ay nawala dahil dito. So it is not only the damage, the physical damage that we can see, but it is also the damage to the economy. It is also the damage to the people's livelihood. Naghahanap buhay lang naman itong mga taong ito, tinanggal sa kanila 35% ng kanilang hanap buhay para ibulsa ang pera ng gobyerno. Kaya naman, hindi kayo magtataka that if there's one thing I will not leave this office until I fix this is it.